Hey y'all, so we are going to the rainforest in Washington State at the national park, the Olympic National Park. That's where I've been driving. He's taking a nap right now, but he's pretty much been driving us the entire way. I just started driving, I would say, not too long ago, maybe I'd say about 30 minutes ago probably. And the time keeps changing on the GPS. It goes from now it says 18 minutes. It has jumped up all the way to an hour and 20 minutes. So I'm not sure how far away we are at all. Literally. Let me show y'all the map though. I'm super excited for the park. Let me say that before I show y'all the map. Trey says that there is wildlife, lots of wildlife, bobcats. What else he said? Mountain goats. He said, I can't remember what else. I'll have to look, but that was enough for me. And but I'm really excited to see if we get to. So, this is not the best view of the map because I'm in a car right now, but this is the map. Now, all that green in the middle is the rainforest. Okay, let me see position. So this is where we're going right here. And we passed that, so we're pretty close actually. We definitely just passed that. Oh, let me move up. But all this green is the rainforest. All of that green you see, that's the rainforest. Now, obviously, we're not gonna be able to see all that, but we'll probably go to the rainforest. Walk around, see what we see, and bounce. But this is the map. Where do we start? We started up here. Let's see. We started around here. So we drove all the way through here. Literally all the way down here to get here. And we have been driving for about 2 hours, like the lady said. And Trey's like, oh, it's not going to take 2 hours and a half. The lady said it was going to take 2 hours and a half. It has taken us 2 hours and a half. Period. Yeah, so we have to show them our pass, and that's what she's doing right now. I'm gonna show you guys a sign over here. We are up next. Look at that tree right there. Huge. And that one right there. These trees are humongous. And I'm sure they are so old. We made it, Trey. Y'all, I am so happy. This bathroom is clean compared to most bathrooms at what's it called? Look at this 10 out of 10. Okay, thank you, Jesus. So we started our walk. And it's kind of breezy outside. What you slowing down now for, Craig? Come on. No, don't follow me. I'm following you, mister. I want to come to the national park. Yeah, I heard a little squeak. Now you look. We do hear something, though. So we are in the rainforest. Okay.
Feel about a parking lot right now.
Oh, we are done. This guy's right there. Y'all, look at this sign. Bear frequency area. Look, Trey, are you sure we should go?
Mm-hmm.
And not want to say elk, but elk is big as hell. Stay at least 100 feet, 33 meters away from elk at all times. Elk can seriously injure humans. Yeah, look at the size of that hoe. What do you mean? I'm scared.
Well, let's find out way.
Here we go, y'all. This tree right here is massive, y'all. I'm about to have Trey record me in front of it so y'all can see. Trey, record me in front of this. Record yours too so you can tell how big it is.
Sit up there. This is the perfect spot.
Come on. Look at that. That looks like something. But it's nothing.
It's just the shape from the.
I know.
That's the angle.
I know that angle, but that's what it is. It's not like Colorado. The water is so clear. So clear. You seen a cougar or a bobcat?
Nah, it was a cougar. I was like,
We just seen a fucking cougar, y'all. How do you feel?
I'm good, still alive.
What was your first reaction when I told you though?
Well, I ain't
And you
seen
noticed
first.
it,
I
yeah,
had to
'cause at
notice it.
first-
First when I seen
First
it,
he was
had
like,
to get away.
yo, I seen that shit backed up. I mean, excuse my language. I seen it backed up onto the tree, like scared or nervous, kind of like, whoa, what is that? And I seen him eyes. I'm like, Trey, that's a cat. He was some, what kind of cat? Boy, what? We in the jungle. What you mean, what kind of cat? Is you crazy? Still, I'm trying to record, get a good video of it. The whole time, he's scared, trying not to act scared. Talking about some, why you keep recording? Why you keep looking back? Somebody gotta look back. Somebody gotta look back. Right, Trey?
You look back, that's how you fall.
Shit, I had his arm tighter than bitch. If I follow you too, we together, baby.
Look back, fall, boom. We both done.
But that was an experience, and that's exactly what we wanted. Today, we have seen a lot of wildlife. This morning, we seen a dolphin, but he said it was a whale. What kind of whale?
I think it was a little baby humpback whale.
He thought it was a whale. Baby humpback whale. I thought it was a dolphin. And what else we seen? Oh, I seen some salmon jumping. Did you get to see that?
Nah, I didn't see that.
Oh, dang.
Damn.
He wanted to dip his feet in the water so bad, he ain't want to wait a second. The man told us, if you just wait a couple minutes, you will see it. So I waited, and I seen it. And then we had just seen a cougar. So we have one more stop. We're going to, what's it called?
I don't know the name of it, but the ocean.
The ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean. What was I going to say? I'm going to put into... Hello.
How are you?
Pretty good. How are you? I'm going to put into the next clip the video, it's not a good video, y'all, but the video of the cougar. I'm kind of glad we're leaving, though, because my ear's starting to, like, ring because it's cooler over here. But, yes, that was our experience.
Why you ain't
Oh,
talking?
yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
oh, look, it's a cat.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get away from
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. We just seen the cat, y'all. We out. That was a lot of wildlife right there. I ain't gonna lie to you. Come on, Trey.
Get some birds.
That's great. Let's go.
Yeah. It's almost 6 o'clock.
So we have made it to the beach. He wanted to put his feet in so bad. Gonna ask me, do I want to get my feet wet? No, I'm freezing. No.
But it's nice and cold though.
Yeah, it is nice and cold. I know. The answer is no for me. This is the Pacific Ocean. Oh, look, there's a dead fish. Hopefully.
He ran out of air.
He ran out of water. What? He got washed up. He's finding rocks. Let me see.
Marble rock.
That's pretty cool. Look at the black one. And another cool thing that we seen was the pebbles. Look at that. The pebbles are so perfectly shaped. Like, and then the deeper you get back to the land, the bigger the pebbles get. I don't know what the heck that is. And the more I look, the more I'm kind of freaked out. Perfectly shaped pebbles. So that's pretty sick. We made it in America, sweet baby Jesus. Ooh, ooh, oh, sweet baby Jesus. We made it in America. What she say? Enjoy the rest of this. Get with y'all later.